Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Saarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, in our last lecture we learned about output devices, and today we are going to learn about a processing devices. Not a devices, actually we can say that it is a processing device because the only one device is worked as a processing device in whole computer system. Then what is processing device? Can you tell me how can you define that this device is can be a processing device, or this can be not be a processing device? Let us see. Devices that helps a computer to store, organize and change inputs are called processing devices. The devices by using which we can store the data into the computer system, the devices by using which we can organize the data into the computer system, and also we can change the inputs that is given by the input devices. These inputs also we can change by using the devices. These all the devices are known as a processing devices. As you can see in the picture, the processing devices, but in the computer system, the CPU, that is a central processing unit, worked as a processing device. Processing device in a computer is known as a central processing unit, that the CPU stands for central processing unit, which is placed inside the CPU box. As you can see in the picture, the CPU, that is a central processing unit, placed into the CPU box, does all the calculation. The computer system which performs the calculation part, so we can say that the calculation was performed, or we can say that calculation is performed by this CPU, that is a central processing unit in whole computer system, which is known as the brain of the computer. As we saw previously that CPU, that a device which help us to store, organize and change the input, right? So we can say that CPU, that is a central processing unit, is a work as a brain of the computer system. Let us get detail about the CPU. The CPU divided into the three parts, that is a ALU, CU and MU. Let us see that ALU, CU and MU in details. First one is a ALU. ALU is a short form. The ALU's full form is Arithmetic Logic Unit. That means ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. By its name suggests that this part, or we can say that this unit of the computer system can perform any logical or the mathematical portion, right? Yes, the all mathematical and logical calculation are done by it. The mathematical and the logical calculation that was or we can say that that is performed by a computer system. This all the mathematical and logical calculation in the whole computer system performed by the CPU. But if we are talking about the particular CPU, then we can say that the mathematical and logical calculation are done by the part of one of the part of the CPU, that is Arithmetic Logic Unit. Second one is a CU. CU stands for control unit. Its name denotes that control unit, means we can say that the part of the computer which is known as a control unit is doing some of the control portion, or it is maybe it we can say that this unit is controlling the whole the CPU or the whole system, our computer system. It controls the flow of information. It works like a traffic policeman who controls the traffic. Yes, its name denotes that the control unit. That means we can say that the control unit of the CPU controls the whole flow of the information that we are getting the information from the input devices, that CPU have to perform some operation and doing a process on that input, and after that displaying the this output by the output devices. This controlling, all the controlling part can be done by this CU, that is control unit. And if we want to compare this control unit, then we can compare it with the traffic policeman who controls the traffic. Next one is a MU, that is memory unit. MU stands for memory unit. Memory unit, its name suggests that maybe this part of the unit doing something storage work, we can say that, right? It holds the processed or unprocessed data. It is a container to hold the data of a computer. if we are talking as it holds the processed or unprocessed data, that means we can say that it is a work as a storage unit of the whole computer system, because we all are aware with the CPU store the information into the computer system, right? In the CPU, this memory unit holds the all the unprocessed or the processed data, that means the our raw input and the generated output. Also, this memory unit control, or we can say that contain the all the data of the computer system that is given by input devices and that is displayed by output devices. Let's see some questions. You all have to take the correct option over here. Okay, the first one is the devices which are used to display the results. इनपुट डिवाइस, आउटपुट डिवाइस और प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस. यस, कौन सा ऐसा डिवाइस है कि जिसकी मदद से हम रिजल्ट डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं, उस डिवाइस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? करेक्ट, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस आर यूज्ड टू डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट्स. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग टू नंबर इज इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग और आउटपुट. यानी कि दो नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है हमें, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्शन की जो एक ऑपरेशन होने वाला है टू नंबर्स के ऊपर, उसको हम इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग या आउटपुट बोलेंगे. यस, करेक्ट, इट इज नोन एज अ प्रोसेसिंग. दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्टिंग टू नंबर्स इज प्रोसेसिंग. थर्ड वन इज इनपुट डिवाइसेस आर यूज्ड टू एंटर ब्लैंक इनटू द कंप्यूटर. डेटा, फूड और आइकन्स. बाय यूजिंग इनपुट डिवाइसेस व्हाट कैन वी एंटर इनटू द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम? हम इनपुट डिवाइसेस की मदद से कंप्यूटर में क्या एंटर कर सकते हैं? डेटा, फूड और आइकन्स. यस, करेक्ट. वी बाय यूजिंग इनपुट डिवाइसेस वी कैन एंटर द डेटा इनटू द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. थैंक यू.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.